Okay, so today, November 13th, Tuesday, we started chapter 3-7, which is solve for the given variable. Okay, here's the first example. We need to solve for t. That means we want it to be t equals. Right now, there is a number in front of the t, and that's an r. So that's d equal r times t. So to undo the multiplication, we have to divide. So we're going to divide both sides by whatever's in front of that t. So there's an r in front of the t, so we're going to divide both sides by r. Divide this side by r, divide this side by r. And then that's just 1, and we have t by itself now. So d over r equals t, which is what we wanted. In this second example, we want to solve for L. And right now, in front of the L, there's a 2, and also there's this plus 35. So we want L by itself, and there's a 2 attached to the L, there's a plus 35. So what we're going to do first is subtract the 35 from both sides of the equal sign. And now we have, on the left side, we have p minus 35 equals, and on the right side we have 2L. And that's because the 35 minus 35 is 0. Okay, so we almost have L equals. We have p minus 35 equals 2L. We want just 1L. So we're going to divide both sides by 2. When we divide both sides by 2, we end up with L, just 1L, equals this fraction. So p minus 35 divided by the 2 equals L. Okay, here's our third example. Solve for little a. Big A equals a plus b plus c divided by 3. This is actually an average formula, the average of 3 numbers. When you add the 3 numbers together and then divide by 3, that's the average. So we have a fraction here. So what we need to do, see that's a plus b plus c over 3. So we need to do fraction busting. So we need to get rid of the 3 that's in the denominator, and we do that by multiplying both sides by 3. Okay, and we learned from fraction busting that the 3 and the 3 on the top and the 3 on the bottom will cross cancel, and you'll get 1. So now on the left side I have 3a, and on the right side there's no more fraction, it's just a plus b plus c. But we want to know what a is. We want to know what a is. So we have 3a equals a plus b plus c. So I need to get rid of that plus b and plus c. So we're going to do the opposite of adding, and that will undo it. So we subtract b, we subtract b, we subtract c, we subtract c. Okay, so now that's 0, that's 0. So now I have a equals everything that's on the left, 3a minus b minus c. So that's what a equals.